Kasi marami, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
Marami nga sa kasamahan namin ay nagtatanong, marami nga, bakit ba mga Muslim maraming asawa? Basta-basta lang mag-asawa ng marami. So, pwede mo ipaliwanag yung Muslim, bakit pwede sila mag-asawa ng legal? O anong tungkulin, o anong requirements?
Brother, una, pag sabing marami, iklaro nila. Dahil dalawa marami. 50 marami. 1,000 marami. 1,000,000 marami din. Anong klaseng marami? Sa Islam, sabi ng Allah sa Quran, marry women of your choice. Suratul Nisa. Marry women of your choice. 2, 3, or 4. But, if you could not deal justice between wives, better for you to marry only one. If you cannot deal justice, better only to marry one. Huh? Mahirap to marry even one. Ang totoo lang, the reality. Even to marry one, it's not a joke. It's not easy to marry even one. How about 2? Imagine if you cannot buy one Toyota, how you can buy 2 Toyotas? BMW in the first wife must be BMW in the second wife. Not Kia, not Hyundai. If you, naku, very big problem. You have 2 wives. Believe me, because I have 2 wives. But I need more too. Okay. Well, siguro sa sarap. Okay, alhamdulillah. Sige. Okay. Sige. Satullah barakatuh. Sige.
Dinaanan natin kasi total na ilan na nila itong kulay Soriano.
Opo.
Dating daan. Marami sa kanilang mga miyembro ang hindi alam kung ano ang halal.
Opo.
At pinagbawal ito ni El Soriano. Meron pang video. Ingat ka.
Ang bawal, ang haram.
Ustad, kasi may video na lumalaganap na si Eli mismo nagsalita kung bakit pinagbawal niya ang halal.
Okay.
So, ang ibig sabihin, wala siyang kaalaman. Ba't nagsasalita siya ng gano'n?
Itong tanong niya, isama sa tanong niya para isahin ko na lang. Para isahin ko na lang ba? Ang sagot. Follow up kanina. Sige. Sagutin ko muna. Si Soriano, nagbawal siya ng halal. At marami din, maliban kay Soriano, mayroon pa. Magbabawal ng halal. Dahil pag kinakain mo na yung halal, if you eat halal, according to the non-Muslim, if you eat halal, you become Muslim. You become Muslim because there is a sihr. They said, in halal food, there is sihr. Magic. If you eat, you become Muslim. Maybe Soriano is afraid of the sihr. What is halal? Halal is anything that is what sa Islam, it's allowed. What is allowed in Islam, it is halal. It is halal not only sa pagkain. It's not only food. Halal is not only food. To marry is halal. What? To say the truth is halal. To make da'wah is halal. Ang halal things that is not haram. Meaning, opposite of haram is halal. Haram meaning bawal. The opposite is, the antonym is halal. Okay? So Soriano, nagsabi siya, don't eat or buy halal. In short, Soriano has no knowledge about word halal. Okay? At he should know also what is haram. Okay? Follow up.
Palo.
Yung kanina daw si brother.
Sige, layup mo lang ha. Ito, dribble mo muna bago may layup kasi matatraveling ka dyan eh.
O yung mga regalo yung nagtanong kanina, may regalo. Kunin mo yung regalo. Regalo.